FoxTradeStrategy.com.
Hello, this is Daniel Grady with a brief look at the markets for today, Thursday, January 9th. We'll start with a quick look at the very busy schedule we have today, starting at 9:30 GMT when we have trade balance data from the United Kingdom. Then we have economic and consumer confidence data from the Eurozone at 10 o'clock. At 11 o'clock, we have German industrial production, and then at 12 o'clock, we have the policy decision by the Bank of England. It's important to point out that normally when there's no change in policy, the Bank of England, usually there's no press conference or statement following it, but today at 12:30 GMT, we have a press conference by the Bank of England governor scheduled, so there might be a policy change today. Then at 12:45 GMT, we have the European Central Bank rate decision and deposit facility rate decision. And this is followed at 1:30 GMT by a press conference and policy statement by the ECB President Mario Draghi. At the same time, at 1:30 GMT, we have initial jobless claims and continuing jobless claims from the United States, which will get some investor interest leading up to tomorrow's release of the non-farm payrolls. Moving over to the market, the S&P 500 closed virtually unchanged yesterday. This is a bit of a surprise after the release of the FOMC minutes late yesterday. The Asian session, during the Asian session, Asian stocks were broadly down after disappointing data coming out from China. Going into the session today, the S&P 500 futures are virtually unchanged. So considering we have a pretty busy calendar today, probably at the beginning of the session, traders are in a bit of a holding pattern, waiting to see what happens with the data today. The euro yesterday tried to push below support at 135.80 to 136 and failed to do so. It's currently trading just below 136. We have our next resistance at 136.50 and we have support at 135.35. Skipping over to the yen. The yen was also pretty much unchanged yesterday. It's still trading within 103.80 to 105.30. And finally, we have gold, which moved slightly to the downside. This was mostly in response to continuing dollar strength. It's still above an important support level at 1,222. And we still have resistance at 1,272. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching and happy trading.